How to order on AliExpress app. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your AliExpress and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, all you need to do is search for the item that you want to purchase. So for example, I want this particular item right here. I'm going to tap on it and search for it again. This one right here, tap on it. And in here, you can see we have multiple color options right here. So if you simply tap on these options, these are not available currently, but these models are available. So if you like that, you can select that. But for now, I want this model. So in order to place your order, all you need to do is tap on buy now right here. After doing that, again, you can now select your color and write your quantity. So for example, I want 2 of them. Then tap on continue. And in here, all you need to do is write down your shipping address. Tap on this add a new address. And in here, write down your first name, last name, and your address and your phone number in here. So if you want to set this address as your default shipping address, you need to tap on this toggle button and turn it on. So after adding your shipping address here, we again have the quantity of it, and here you can see shipping is free currently, and then here we have our payment method. So we have the option of PayPal, we have the option of paying through our card. You can also PayPal later, and we also have the option of afterpay. So for now, I'm going to go with my PayPal just like this. And now in here you can see these are all of my subtotals with tax. All you need to do is tap on it. And like that, if you have already added your address, it will lead you to the further process of how to set your order. All you need to do is follow it. And like that, you'll be able to order on AliExpress. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.